Hello and welcome to 9839 Canyon Lane in Pendleton, Indiana. 46064. This is in Madison County, Indiana. For more information, contact 317-522-3964. This home is in a neighborhood called Estes Park. It's a beautiful neighborhood. It's a newer neighborhood. This home is brand new. It was built in 2023. It has not been occupied, but the neighborhood has been in place for 3 or 4 years. It's well established, has very nice landscaping, and this is a low maintenance neighborhood. All of the yard work and snow removal is accomplished for you at a cost of only $330 per quarter, which is excellent. I live in a low maintenance neighborhood and it is $500 a quarter. This home is 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus an office, 2.5 baths. It's been on the market only a couple of months and it's listed at $414,900. Let's go in and take a look, and then for more information contact 317-522-3964. This home is a very open floor plan. It's roomy. Look how nice and roomy this hall is. It's neutral. The whole house is painted white, just waiting for your specialty colors. There's a lot of continuity, what they call builder standard, throughout the home. All of the lighting is the recessed lighting, which really looks the best. 9-foot ceilings. This is the office. The office has French doors, 1 window, recessed lighting. The flooring in the home is listed as laminated hardwood, and laminated hardwood means that it's a multi-layer flooring and the top layer is hardwood. Let's go this way and look at the guest or the secondary bedrooms. They have carpet. It's a nice medium color neutral gray carpet. Nice big window. This is a large bedroom. It is 16 by 12. Has a nice big closet. Here's the hall bath with a tub. It has an all vinyl, low maintenance surround. Quartz countertop with a recessed sink. And the taller toilets. This is bedroom number 3. It is 12 by 12. Less windows, more wall space. Another walk-in closet. This is the laundry room, conveniently located between these 2 bedrooms, with a nice Whirlpool washer and dryer included. All appliances are included. Shelving in the linen closet. This home is 2,400 square feet and is on the market today, the 18th of August, 2024, for $414,900. This is a coat closet. And this is a powder room with a really pretty pedestal sink and a nice featured round mirror. And look at this gorgeous open floor plan. 2,400 square feet, all on 1 level. This neighborhood is kind of geared towards empty nesters, but there are also families that live here, and there are some 2-story homes on the other side. Huge island with the sink and a large 4-person breakfast bar. Look at the beautiful gray subway tile backsplash. Neutral quartz countertops. Pretty extra tall white cabinets. Stainless steel Frigidaire appliances. Look at this refrigerator. This is great. Fill your bottles without having to tip them sideways and get Ice cubes all over the floor. This refrigerator is brand new. Freezer on the bottom for greater efficiency. Nice big pantry. Lots of shelving. Lots of counter space. Lots of cabinet space. And a 5-burner stove. The gas stove even has the griddle accessory for the top. Make your pancakes, eggs, bacon all at once. Dishwasher right where it should be, next to the farmhouse extra large, extra deep sink. And a nice handy featured faucet. Polished chrome on all of the faucets and fixtures. This is a large sunroom / breakfast room area that can be for dining or for comfy furniture. This home is light and bright and has lots of big windows. It's a cloudy day, so it's not super and sunny in here right now, but there are lots of windows and a beautiful view at the back of a cornfield. So you have privacy. The neighbors have a privacy fence, and yet you have this beautiful little patio. Look how cute this is. Covered patio is the best. And there's a rough-in up there for a ceiling fan on your patio. It's got a small backyard, but with a ranch home, if you're an empty nester or a young couple starting out, you probably aren't going to need a big backyard with a swing set. You're not allowed to fence your yards when you have low-maintenance neighborhoods. You can fence a part of them. You can have a privacy fence up. And for more information about covenants, restrictions, and what the rules are for what you can do with your yard, contact 317-522-3964. Outdoor plug. Let's go back and take a look at the master suite. This is a split floor plan with 2 bedrooms in the front, and then the master suite is back here. Gives you a little separation from your guests or your roommate or your children. Tray ceiling, recessed lighting, 2 windows with room for a king-size bed in between. And look at this gorgeous master spa. This bath is beautiful. Huge amount of cabinet space. Enormous mirror. Lots of cabinetry, dressing table space in the middle. We have ceramic tile flooring. The water closet. Huge walk-in closet. With more shelving, this could hold a lot of clothes. You have a really nice step-in shower with full ceramic tile surround. Beautiful and easy to take care of. And then here we have a linen and or medicine closet. Beautiful master suite bath. Big master bedroom at 16 by 12. Let's go take a look at the garage. For more information, call 317-522-3964. This home is on the market for $414,900. It's in Madison County, Greene Township. You're in the South Madison Community School Corporation. You have a gas furnace and a gas water heater, and there's a water softener, a 2+ garage. Of course, the electric door, keyless entry, extra paint. The water softener will be hooked up for you. It is owned and will be included with the home. Got a Bryant gas furnace and an AC Smith gas water heater. So that is 9839 Canyon Lane in Pendleton, 46064 in Estes Park. For more information, call 317-522-3964. Thanks for touring with me You're going to love this place. There's even power in the middle of the room for your decorating pleasure. Bye-bye.